If you're pitching yourself, your offer, or your process, but your slides still look like a class project, we need to fix that. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create clean, client-ready presentations that help you actually get yeses. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite tools that I personally use every single day so you can plug and play all of this information to help you attract your ideal clients. Let's get into it. Do presentations still even matter? The answer is yes. A good presentation isn't about looking corporate. It's about making it easy for someone to understand how you can help them. When done right, your presentations become a visual conversation. It really helps them to see who you are, what you do, why it works, and how to move forward. It doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to be very clear. First off, we need to start with a real goal. Before we even open Canva, here's what you need to ask. What do I want this person to do after seeing this? Is this a sales pitch, a service explainer, a lead magnet walkthrough? Knowing your goal is going to shape your slides and messaging. Here is a simple structure you can follow so you actually understand what goes where and why it matters. First off is the intro slide. We want to keep it simple, your name, title, and a one-liner on who you help and what results you bring. So for example, maybe helping small businesses design websites that convert. Slide number 2 is about you. So make this about why they should trust you. Not your whole life story, but just include some bullet points along the lines of your years of experience, past clients or industries, personal reason you love what you do, maybe like 1 to 2 lines max. Again, we don't want to share a whole entire story, but definitely something that gets them to trust you and see your passion. 3 is your offer and what you do. This is where you clearly list your services or your package. You can also say something like, I offer done for you, insert service for insert type of client, so they can see insert result. You want to use one slide per offer or list all services on one if it's a quick overview. Number 4 is your process. So this is essentially how you personally deliver the result. Break it down step by step so the client can see the full journey. So example, step number 1, discovery call. Step number 2, strategy and kickoff. Step number 3, execution. Step number 4, feedback and revisions. Step number 5, final delivery. Make it feel simple and doable. Next up is testimonials or client wins. Add in screenshots, one-liners, or results. So example, increased conversions by 45% in 3 weeks, or booked out her coaching biz in 30 days. So make it very, very clear and show that transformation. 6 is pricing and package overview. So you don't need to show your exact numbers, just show your structure. So for example, if you have a starter package, maybe 2 pages plus email support, a premium package, full branding, website, 30-day support, but make it very, very clear so the client understands. Number 7 is the call to action. So what the next step is. So let's talk, book a call. Here's how to get started. Add a clickable button or QR code if sending digitally. You also, as an option, can include slides for frequently asked questions, timeline, onboarding steps. Okay, I know that was a lot of information, and the beauty of this is you don't have to start at a blank screen. We're going to use ChatGPT to figure out exactly what to say. So I created a custom prompt for you that you can literally just copy and paste and insert what you do, your niche, and the problem you solve, okay? So if you don't have ChatGPT yet, you can get the free version. I use it every single day. It is so powerful. I personally pay for the upgraded plan, but you also can just start with the free plan. So the prompt is, I'm a blank, insert what you do, who helps insert your niche with insert problem you solve. I'm creating a client presentation to walk through my services, how I work, and why I'm the right fit. Can you outline what to put on each slide and help me write the actual copy in a friendly, clear tone? Okay, what we're also going to do is our steps. So kind of like I talked about, so step 1, we've got the intro slide. Step 2, about you. Step 3, your offer and what you do. Step 4, your process. Step 5, testimonials or client wins. Step 6, pricing and package overview. And step 7 is call to action. So you can even just insert everything that I just put in here and then say, ask me specific questions so you get all the information that you need. Then it will ask you questions so you can actually insert in everything like who you help, what do you do, what's the results you help them get, etc. So what you want to do is take time and really go through and answer all of this, because you don't want ChatGPT to just spit something out generic. You want it to really align with who you are and how you help people. So, okay, amazing. After you answer all of the questions, it's going to spit everything out. And obviously, again, adjust to make it work for you. Now, let's just say you're a branding designer who helps coaches. Now, what we need to do is go into Canva. If you haven't checked Canva out, highly recommend. Again, this is a tool I use every single day. They do have a free version, but I personally use the pro version. There's just unlimited access to premium templates applets, and 1 terabyte of cloud storage. Yeah, I use it a lot, so I need that extra storage. Now what we can do is just search pitch deck, and they have so many templates. You can start from scratch if you want, but I personally am not that creative, so I like to start with something that's already in here. And obviously if you like the template and you just want to change the colors, you can totally do that. So now you've got your outline. So all we have to do now is copy and paste. And again, obviously make sure the messaging is good. Okay, you want to enter your contact information, whatever it is, your website. Next, we've got our about me. So why coaches work with me. Maybe even add a picture of you. You can just upload. Bam, done. You can have the date up there if you want or not. And then, okay, next up is what I do. And you can use this if you would like. You can keep it as simple or go in depth. Add in some other photos you have of you. You get the point. So you want to copy and paste everything over to make it super, super clean. If you're not familiar with Canva, I just wanted to show you, like, I have my brand colors in here. So, and you do have to have the upgraded version for the brand colors, but you can literally just easily change the colors to your brand once you have it in there. You can add your logo in here super easily. You also can change the font. If you want to upload pictures, you can. If you want to add something like this, or maybe just a generic one. They have a ton of photos you can use. There's also a ton of graphics, so it's very simple, easy to use, which is why I love it. Make sure it matches your brand and your vibe though. So yeah, just a couple of just little tips here. Stick to 1 to 2 fonts and 2 to 3 colors. You can use mock-ups or real images, not just icons. I think sometimes icons can look a little cheesy, but that's my own personal preference. And make sure every slide is super clear at a glance. And just remember, 1 idea per slide, no crammed paragraphs. Now we need to send it, or maybe you're presenting it live, whatever it may be, but you don't have to attach it as a PDF. You can use a view-only Canva link. So what you do is click share, and then you can, anyone with the link, and then you want to make sure you change it to view, and then you can copy link and share it. Now, something that I love doing and I use a lot is Loom. And if you're not familiar with Loom, you can essentially screen record and it saves it to the cloud, so you have a link that you can just send. Let's just say you have a lead come through and you want to show them a quick walkthrough of your process so you can see if you'd be a good fit to work together. You can easily record everything once, so then you can send it to multiple leads and multiple clients so they can really get a full view of what you do and how you help them. So it is just really, really powerful. Another tool I just wanted to mention too is Notion. I use Notion for everything, my planning, all of my program map outs. So when you are using this, what I would do is come into Notion. I have all of my program planning right here. So I just create a new page and I would copy and paste everything in there so I can edit it. I like it so much better than Google Docs. I think it's so much more organized. Like, I've got my personal dashboard that has like everything in here. And so it's simple, easy to use. I could go in depth all the time on this, but I've got my daily to-do items, my big projects I'm working on. So it's really, really powerful just to stay super organized. So if you want to check out either ChatGPT, Loom, or Notion, I've left all those links in the description for you. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your dream business with smart tools, digital products, and step-by-step guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.